Here I have ALCATEL Pixi 3 and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on this device by using the ALCATEL settings. So at the very beginning, let's start by using a home screen. Let's tap apps icon. Afterwards, find and select the settings. So here you have the settings. Let's tap it, then scroll down. And from the list of settings, you have to find the personal, tap and choose backup and reset. Then scroll down again and choose factory data reset. Read the information about the process, and if you are sure, let's choose reset for phone. In order to complete the whole operation and erase all personal information and downloaded apps, choose erase everything. Now the device is performing the hard reset operation, so the phone is erasing all personal stuff, customized settings and downloaded apps. Let's wait until the whole operation will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Excellent, as you can see, the welcome panel just pops up, so it means that the hard reset operation is done. Now you may start easily activate your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.